Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix can't comment photos on TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, you might be in a situation where, for some reason, you can't comment any photos inside of TikTok. This can happen for a couple of different reasons. Let's say you're inside a TikTok page or comment section, and you're trying to post a comment with a photo, but you're unable to. First off, make sure you're commenting the right way. When you see a video or post that supports photo comments, tap into the comment section. Once there, look for a small photo icon, usually the third option from the left. Tap that icon, which will bring up your photo gallery. From there, just select a photo and submit it. That's the main way to add a photo to a TikTok comment. If you don't see that icon, there are a few fixes to try. One of the first things to do is update your TikTok app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and see if an update is available. Many times, simply updating the app resolves the issue, as new features or bug fixes are rolled out frequently. If updating doesn't work, try restarting your phone. It might sound basic, but restarting often refreshes app behavior and clears up temporary glitches. Also, keep in mind that this feature may not be available in your region yet. TikTok tends to release certain features in specific countries before making them globally available. If the photo comment option isn't showing up for you, it might just mean the feature hasn't been rolled out to your area. In that case, you may have to wait a little until TikTok makes it available to everyone. That's pretty much it. So that's basically how you can fix can't comment photos on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.